Today we're going to configure media favorites on your new Panamera. To do so, you'll start by selecting the media icon. Here you'll see a wide variety of media sources along the top under the Play tab. Let's select a station from SiriusXM. To get a list of SiriusXM channels, select the list button at the bottom and scroll to find a favorite. To select that favorite, just select the star on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you can click outside to return. Now here you will see your favorites icon or tab. You can select it. And now you can see here, 80s on 8 is available in the favorites tab. You can also select here. And now you can see that favorite. Now what if we would like to add another favorite? Let's go ahead and do that here. And let's search for Chill. And you have a wide variety, but notice you also have multiple media source types. So let's select a media source from online radio. Okay, I'm going to go back. Now you can see that new favorite has been included on your media favorites list. Now let's go back. If this icon is not here, you can also find it here behind the 3 dots. It's the full list of all of your media sources. If you would also like to change the order of your tabs here, it's quite simple. Hold your finger down on the tab, select Edit, and you can move your favorites all the way to the front. Then select Confirm, and now you'll see your favorites icon has been moved to the front. There's another way to enjoy your favorites using the PCM, and it's through the My screen. So select the home icon. You'll notice the cursor moves to the right and we have our 3 columns. You can configure this to show media in one of your columns. So we'll drag media here to the right. There we go. And now this will play media. Now once you do this, it will play the first media source on the tabs. In this case, we have just configured this to use favorites. You can change this to another media source as you can see. But because it's favorites, you can now cycle through your favorite channels just by one button click. You've now configured media favorites on your new Panamera.